Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change font and text size on the POCO M8. So if you want to make all of the text on your phone bigger and even change the font or the look of the text, here's how you do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Settings app. Looks just like this. And then we're going to scroll down to the Personalization tab, tap on it, and here we have the fonts option. So we're going to tap on the fonts. Oh, I missed. So fonts, there we go. And here we have a few options. So by default, we have two fonts loaded up on our phone. So default and Mi Sans. And default, you can't really change anything besides the text size. So we have this option right here, which allows us to change the size, as you can see. So this is what all of the text will look like. So for example, if we exit out, as you can see, it updated and the text is now bigger. So if we come back to that same section, we want to make the font default. We also can change fonts. So if we select, for example, Mi Sans, and which is a different font, you can change the size and the boldness. There, as you can see, it gets more thicker. Then this is one of the fonts that I have loaded up on the phone. This is what it looks like. I can change the size, nothing else. But if you want to get your own fonts, all you have to do is scroll to the right to find this little 3-dot icon. So we're going to tap on that. And this is where you're going to have a lot of different fonts. They're usually purchasable. So some might be paid, but it's pretty cheap. And some are usually free. Now, what you can do is just scroll around until you find the free section or just a font that is free that you like. And you can just pretty much download it. So there, as you can see, there are a couple of free fonts right here. And if you scroll around, you can find even more free fonts, as you can see. So to download the font, all you need to do is just select it. I'm going to use this one right here. You can do pretty much any that you want. And then just tap on the free download icon right here. And once it downloads, you can press apply. And it's going to apply the font to your phone. And you can check your saved fonts once again back in the Personalization tab in Fonts. So these are all of the fonts that are downloaded on your phone, and you can switch them pretty quickly. And that is pretty much it. This is how you change fonts and text size. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.